If you're complaining that it's too cold to work out, then just put on an extra sweater. A little water never hurt anyone. So what if it's raining? Welcome back, YouTube. David here. Got a new video for y'all today. But before we get into it, if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit the bell notification. So on this cold, rainy winter morning, we're gonna be hitting chest. Let's get into it. That's it for today's workout. It was quick and easy. As you can tell, it's a little bit brighter. The sun's finally starting to rise, but we were able to get it in early in the morning. So start off with pause bench press, 3 sets of 6 with 185. Then moved on to dumbbell incline press. I did 3 sets of 6, real easy with the 60s just to get some more blood flow. Then did some dumbbell flies, 3 sets of 10. Then did tricep push down, 3 sets of 12. And then finished off with some dumbbell laterals. I did 3 sets to failure, moving up in way I went 25, 30, then 35. Real easy, had limited time, just get in, get out, stuck with the basics. So if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to not just this channel, but my girlfriend's channel and our couples accounts. And then for Instagram, TikTok, same thing. Follow my account and Alice and the couples. I'll put all the links down in the description below. With that being said, I'll catch you all next time.